Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent at 3 Esther Street, Unit 1. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the first floor in Worcester. Gonna go around and try to get you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place I can from the video, and highlight some of the stuff that comes along with the apartment. So this is the living room over here. That door comes into the front hallway. So front hallway into the living room, and in this room and the rest of the place, you're gonna notice lots of brand new finishes, including brand new paint all over, and lots of new fixtures. You've got baseboard heaters in really nice condition too. It's gas heat. It's gas heat for that and for the hot water. You got this first bedroom over here. All the bedrooms are pretty equally sized. The middle one and the other one are going to be a little bit bigger than this. So this is technically the smallest, and it's still big enough for like a large, let's say a queen size bed and a desk / dresser setup. And it's got the heating of the closet and everything right there. And all 3 bedrooms kind of come off of this area, which is the living. Sorry, not the living room, which is the kitchen. And it's big enough space for a dining room, etc., stuff like that. So you got the kitchen over here, and this has lots of new cabinets, new countertops, everything that got put in, and a fridge that's in really nice shape too. You take a look at this one, you can kind of see what I mean. It's a very nice unit. Here's the hookup for the dryer machine. Hookup for the washer machine is right by the bathroom as well. This is just the door that goes out to the back hallway. So it's set up a little bit different. If you know a lot of Worcester apartments, you'll see that that's kind of cool how they have the exit over on this side by the kitchen. And the appliances over here are in really good shape too, especially this big stainless steel sink bin with the spray nozzle. Coming over here, this is the 2nd bedroom. So I want to say that this is the biggest one out of all of them. Take a look at that back bedroom here in a little bit. This one's pretty cool too with that closet. Nice hardwood floors in here and in there. This is tile flooring in this one. Tile flooring in here, tile flooring in the bathroom. Take a quick look at the bathroom. So you got big light fixture above the vanity sink, vanity right there, and the bathroom tub. And finally, this is the 3rd bedroom. So it's probably in the middle of the sizes between the first 2 bedrooms, if I had to say. You know, it's a little bit longer, etc. And lots of nice light coming through this side of the house as well. This is the morning, so that's the sun coming up on that side over there. And that has been the full tour for this place, 3 Esther Street, Unit 1, Apartment 1 on the first floor. If you have any questions, please reach out to a listing agent. It should be listed with the apartment tour over there and the pictures and everything. And if you have any questions, also you can go to the vacancies page on our website, nexuswor.com, the for rent page. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.